people outside.
What people?
People. People.
This is Mark. The fire alarm is going off at our cubicle flat, or at our flats in London, and it's quite noisy. Fuck's, oh dear. That's loud, man. You want some? Sainsbury's red alcoholic-free wine. No more than 5%. Less than 5%, or 0.05%. Ah, dear. Oh, talk about technology, man. So, I'll turn that thing off, man. It just happened about, 5 minutes now. I was playing a game on my iPhone, and I was playing a musical app on my phone called Ocarina 2. Just finished playing the tune, and the fire alarm went off. I thought it was me playing it, but it was actually the cubicle fire alarm. Oh, I better go. I'm not sure what's going on.